Hey guys, and welcome back. Today I'm going to do this freehand and nail dot design. So I'm going to use this blue by Pure Ice called Rain and Shine, and my infamous black nail striper is by LA Colors, and I absolutely love it. So I already painted my nails with the blue, and I'm going to use the black nail striper to create some abstract lines. Now this design is off the cuff. I was not expecting to go so intricate with it. I was going to do a quick freehand nail design, but I just decided to show you something more in depth, something different than my usual fast and easy nail designs. Now, once I was done with the longer lines, I wanted to do little lines inside of them. I just thought it looked really cute. I thought it gave it a more, I guess, in-depth look to the design. You don't have to add the little lines inside if you don't want to. And then I'm going to fill in some of the empty spaces in between the lines. Like I said, I didn't really think about this design until I started creating it, and I have to say I love the finished look of it. You don't have to use a nail stripe if you don't want to. You can use a nail brush with nail polish and acrylic paints. It's all up to you. I just like using a striper because, like I always say, I get more control with it. Now, I could have left the design like this, but I just thought it looked too plain, so I decided to add some dots, and I have to say I love the look after. The dots just brought the whole look together. It gave it such a nice look to it. I really have to say I love the dots. And once I was done, I finished off with a quick dry top coat. I hope I made this video easy for you guys to recreate if you want. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to get updates on when I upload new videos. And check out my Instagram at Funwithmynails to see more of my nail art. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.